so this will be a short video showing you my arrangement of the jazz standard Don't Get Around Much Anymore by Duke Ellington. So firstly, it sounds like this. So as always, the sheet music is linked in the description below. So this is a nice little song and nice little arrangement, and it uses a number of jazz piano techniques. It starts with the right hand playing the melody. And then we use drop two voicings to play the little ascending chord progression. So all that means is that your right hand plays the 7th chord, but we take the second highest note, which, because we're in root position, happens to be the 5th, and we drop it down an octave and play it with our left hand. So we're still playing a C major 7, we just have the G in our left hand an octave lower. So it's a drop two voicing, the second highest note is dropped. And we just play the chord progression up. Then the melody again, and then drop two voicings again. Melody, and here the left hand plays a root note and then rootless voicings. And then the right hand plays the melody but harmonizes it with mostly using a third. And then a nice bluesy little lick or cliche for the turnaround. Then you do the exact same thing again, because it's an AABA form. That was the first A section, so you do literally the exact same thing for the second A section. So a bit slower. Section, left hand plays a nice, simple, bluesy or boogie-woogie-ish walking bass line, just essentially outlining the chords. The right hand plays the melody, but harmonizes the melody with fragments of the chord, either the root 3rd or 3rd 5th, depending on the chord, just to kind of fill out the harmony. So we've got a bass line, we've got the melody with our top few fingers on our right hand, and then we fill in the harmony with the bottom couple fingers in our right hand. So together that sounds like this. Finishing on that G7 over D there. And then we go back to section A and play it exactly like we did the first couple of times. Except I think instead of the standard section A melody, I did a little improvised line using the A blues scale. And the reason I'm doing that is because the A blues scale is essentially just a C major pentatonic, but adding an E flat, which is a flat third, which is a bluesy note. So we're adding a bluesy note to the major pentatonic scale to create what I call a major blues scale, but that's not standard terminology. So I did something like this. Right, so the first time I just played the melody normally. The second time I just played a little lick using that major blues scale, or C major pentatonic with the E flat added. Then back to the chords. And then you just finish the song as normal. Then at the end I played a nice voicing of a C13 chord, I believe. So it was C, E, B flat, D, A. So there's your root third seventh, and then a ninth and a 13th on top, and kind of tremolo it. And that's it. So this arrangement uses a good number of different sort of jazz piano techniques: drop two voicings, rootless voicings, walking bass lines, harmonizing the melody with a third, harmonizing it with a chord fragment so that you play the melody with your top few fingers and part of the chord, a fragment of the chord, with your bottom fingers on your right hand, which is a very, very common technique or way to play jazz piano, or piano in general. And it kind of just meshes all those techniques into a arrangement that I think, sounds pretty enough. Not too complex. Like I said, grab the sheet music, have a look at it. It's not too difficult to play. There's not too many complex, substitutions or voicings or anything like that. But I think it sounds really interesting. It's fun to play. So have a go at it and see what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.